Hi, hello, good morning. So today we'll have a new method called arc of circles method for the construction of ellipse. So here I think you are following my channel. Previously we have gone through the construction of general method, that is focus directrix method, oblong method, concentric circle method. And now we'll go for arc of circles method and how to draw what. So you can have a detailed construction procedure. Right, thank you. Now we'll go to the problem. Now here see the problem, that is a major axis of AB and the minor axis CD are 100 mm and 70 mm long respectively. Draw the ellipse by the arc of circles method. Right. So now you can see here the construction procedures. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So these are all the construction procedures in terms of format. So now we will see in the diagrammatical format how we are going to construct the arc of circles method by to construct an ellipse. So now first draw a line, that is AB, that is 100 mm. So already it is given, the major axis as given as 100 mm. So draw a line of 100 mm and name this one as A and B. Okay. After that, taking a midpoint and draw the line CD. Okay, that is CD, that is minor axis with a length of 70 mm and name it as C and D. Okay. Now, for the majorly for the construction of arc of circuits method, there should be two foci points. Foci means two focus points. Foci means plural, that is plural in the form, that is two focus points. Where should we locate the two focus points, that is foci? So taking this as a midpoint as O, okay, from midpoint O to A or O to B as a radius, listen clearly, O to A as a radius, that is half of the major axis, that is nothing but 50 mm in this problem. C as a center, you can make two arcs on both sides of this O. Okay, okay, A, O as a radius, C as a center, you can make an arc here and you can make an arc, another arc here. Okay, so now you can see these 2 points. Okay, so these two points are nothing but focus point 1 and this is focus point 2. So from these focus points, from this point and from this point, you have to divide the focus 1 to O and focus 2 to O into equal number of parts. Suppose if you take 4 equal parts this side, you have to take it 4 equal parts this side, right? Let us do the same construction procedure. Okay, A and B already, that is the major axis end points of the ellipse. So now we have to construct the locus of all these points by to travel all these points from the D and once again to A. So now I will divide this one into equal number of parts. So right, 1, 2, this is 3 and this is 4. Name this one as 1, 2, 3, 4. Right. So now you can see how to construct the locus, how it is moving from these points, right? So you take A1 as radius, listen clearly, A1 as radius, F as a center, you make an arc. Okay, so this is a line, you make an arc. And next, B to 1 on the left hand side, B to 1 on the left side as a radius, F2 as a center, you make another arc or you make a line. Okay, then this point intersect at one particular point. Okay, name next one A to 2 as a radius, A to 2 as a radius, once again F1 as a center, make an arc. And next B to 2 as a center, B to 2 on the left side as a center, F2 as a center, you make another arc. Next A to 3 as a radius, F1 as a center, make another line. B to 3 as a radius, F2 as a center, make another line. Next, A to 4 as a radius, F1 as a center, you make a line or arc. Don't make lines, just you make arcs only. Next, B4 as a radius, F2 as a center, make an arc. So as this is arc of circles, just simply you draw the arcs. For your representation, drawing of arcs is a little bit difficult in the construction of or preparation of PPT, so I have drawn lines. Okay, don't draw the lines in your drawing. Only you make arcs with the help of compass. Simple with the help of a compass, right? You can see in the textbook also how the arcs are made. So for my convenient, I have drawn the lines. Okay, for making of this construction procedure easy. So now I got this point of intersection of these arcs 1, 2, 3, 4. Simply I'll put these points. Okay, so now P1, P2, P3, P4. In the same manner, I have to construct in the opposite side also. So now see here, I'll construct all these points. So now in the same way, I will take the construction because as A to 0 is equal to 0 to B. You know that. A to O is nothing but O to B. A to 1 and 1 to B is nothing but is equal to AB. In the same way, if I have divided this any number of equal parts on the left hand side, will be equal to the same as right hand side. If you are having any doubts, you can make the same construction procedure on the right hand side between these O and F2 with 4 equal parts and go to B, 1 as a radius, F2 as a center, you make an arc here, and A, 1 on the left right side as a radius and F1 as a center, you can make. So here for my convenient, I have taken the same distances, A1 as radius, F2 as a center, I have made a mark here, okay, arc, and B1 as a radius, F1 as a center, I made an arc. So by this I have constructed in this manner, okay. So now I have to locate all these 4 points, okay. So these are the 4 different points I will get on the right hand side. So now in a similar manner, just you draw a perpendicular lines to this one to get these points. And next, whatever the length which is there, just you take it into the opposite direction such that you will get. Otherwise, you have to follow all the same sequence on the top side and also bottom side to get the different points. Okay. So now you got all the points P1, P2, P3, P4, C, P5, P6, P7, P8, B, P9, P10, P11, P12 like this. Simply you construct the ellipse by the help of all these point of intersections made by the arcs from the different foci points, right? So this is how to construct the ellipse by the arc of circles method. Okay, thank you. If you are having any doubts, please clarify in the manner of giving a questions in the form of comments so that I will give you a reply how to construct. Okay, thank you.